guys, welcome to Peas and Blueberries. So today I'm going to be showing you how I give myself a pedicure. So what I like to use is I like to put a towel down on the floor because I like to do pedicures on the floor. It just makes it seem a little bit easier. So you're going to need some cotton balls, nail polish remover, toenail clippers, base coat, any colored polish that you want. I'm going to use this, I think it's called Rapid Red by Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. A top coat, I'm using Sally Hansen Dries Instantly, and some Q-tips. So first of all, I need to remove this grown out white polish. I don't know if you can see, but it has grown out. So I'm going to take a cotton ball and some nail polish remover. Okay, so once I've removed all the polish, I know, my feet are gross. Don't judge, I'm a dancer. So now I will go ahead and trim them. So I like to use one of these toenail clippers. This is what it looks like. My toenails used to be round, but now I'm trying to kind of get them into a square shape. So that's why they are in kind of a funky shape. So I'm just trimming it straight across, making sure it's even. Okay, so I've tried to get all the nasty toenail things out of the picture. So I apologize if there are some, but now that the foot has been all prepped, we're going to go ahead and start to paint it. So I use OPI Natural Nail Base Coat for this. It's just like painting any other nails, just paint a thin layer on. Okay, so once the base coat has completely dried, you can start to polish. So now that this coat is dry, I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat. I probably could get away with one, but just to be safe, I like to do two. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention was if you have like super long cuticles, you can push them back, obviously before you polish, so that you have more nail to work with. I personally don't have very long cuticles on my toenails. Normally, I'm not this sloppy, but just very hard to paint with this brush. So while I'm waiting for my toenails to completely dry, I will do the cleanup. So obviously you'll need some nail polish remover and a few Q-tips depending on how much you messed up. I messed up a lot. Alright, so the 10 minutes has elapsed. And I finished cleaning up around the nails, so it is time for top coat. I like to use a healthy amount because I think it just makes it more glossy. I don't know. Okay guys, so my pedicure is complete. So I hope you enjoyed the second video in nailing it. Yeah, I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go. Bye!